How to enable auto answer calls on Android phones. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you want your phone to automatically answer calls, especially handy when you're driving or using a headset, you can enable auto answer in just a few simple steps. Here's how to do it on your Android device. Open Settings, go to Accessibility, and then here find Interaction and Dexterity tab. Tap on it. Then you can tap on answering and ending calls under interaction. Here you can easily go ahead and tap on this option to answer automatically. Tap on the toggle to enable it. Then you can set the time delay before the phone picks up automatically. It could be 2 seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, or a custom time. You can just enter it. Let's say if I want it to be 15 seconds, I can select it, tap on set, and you're good to go. And that's how you basically set up the automatic call answer on your Android device. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.